Hi, today I'm going to show you how to easily repair your broken headphones so that they won't break again. Today's patient is the Roland RH-200 studio monitor headphones, but this tutorial can be used on any headphones including DJ type headphones. As you can see in my case, the cable is also damaged and one side of the headphones no longer works. I will show you how to fix this damaged cable as well. To fix these headphones and save money without buying new ones, you will need to ask your grandmother for a soldering toolkit, superglue, baking soda, painter's tape and a toothbrush. Start by cutting the damaged cable, since my grandmother already tried to glue these headphones but couldn't. You will need to use a file to remove the remaining glue. If you haven't tried gluing the headphones yet, you can skip this step. Remove the air cap from the broken side holders and check that the parts fit well together. Then find some metal wire that you can use as a bracing. I have aluminum which bends easily. Cut a piece of it. You need to bend this piece of metal so that it works as a joint for the damaged parts. Then tape the parts. You don't want to glue on it. Press the glue into the damaged part of the headphone body. Then press the glue into the broken part so that the metal is well glued in. Next, glue the two parts together. It's important that the two parts are glued as they were originally, because if they are glued incorrectly or are too wide, the air cap will not be able to put back in place. It just not hold in. Use the air cap body to check that the parts are connected correctly. Once the parts are positioned as they should be, press more glue into the joint. Then take baking soda and add it on top of the superglue. Together they will create instant cement. Rub off the excess baking soda. Apply glue to the next spot and add baking soda on top again. Wipe off the excess baking soda. Repeat these steps around the broken spot until the gap is filled with instant cement. Pull the longest cable out of the air cap and push it through the headphone part. Then put the air cap in place, being careful to assemble it correctly so that the pins align with the groove. Use your grandmother nail file to remove any excess glue so that the surface of the instant cement is smoother. Remove the painter's tape and replace it with new tape around the glued seam. Apply another coat of superglue and baking soda if needed. Remove the tape. Remove the outer jacket from both ends of the cable and tin all four wires. Solder them together, remembering to match the colors, red with red and gold with gold. Then insulate the wires to prevent a short circuit. Push the excess length of cable back into the air cap so that it does not hang out. If this does not work, unscrew the air cap and pull the cable from the inside. The cable needs to be pushed inside the groove of the hinge part. You can put black tape over the connection to make the cable less visible, but I prefer to cover it with black nail polish. The choice is yours. Put the air cap back together and reattach the air cushion. Then clean the headphones with a damp cloth. Since the glue seam is not pretty, I recommend putting painter's tape around it and use a nail file to remove any excess glue bumps. Brush off the dirt, apply new painter's tape and paint the instant cement areas with nail polish. Remove the painter's tape and if needed, paint the glue marks in other place. When the nail polish has dried, clean the headphones once again. Here's the result: broken Roland headphones repaired. Money saved by not having to buy new ones. In the next videos I will show you how to make a detachable cable mod and how to put on a new, better quality AirPod cushions, so you can turn them from damaged ones into lovely ones. Don't forget to like this video so my grandma can see it.